present day world is now different from what it was earlier, especially from the days of globalization. There has been a big transformation in all the spheres of life and systems of governance as well, and more so in the justice system of every country. So, to meet the requirements of justice, there has to be an overhauling of the legal education systems as well. We need more access to justice. We need doorstep justice. We need availability of solutions to so many problems coming up every day. We can't afford delay in justice. We cannot afford non-access to the justice. So what has to be done is that we have to have a new kind of justice system in the world and in the country itself, and for that the approach to legal education has also to be modified. That has to be totally altered, and thereby we have to ensure that we are producing lawyers and judges who can ensure through their capabilities and through their bent of mind and through their inclination to access to justice for all, and at the same time effective delivery of justice without any delay. For that purpose, as we say that legal education has to be overhauled, the FIMT School of Law, one of the best colleges in Delhi, is organizing a conference on curriculum development and teaching methodology in law, especially with a focus on experiential learning. The conference aims at apprising the faculties as well as the students and policy makers that how we can make the legal education system more effective in this country to meet the requirements of justice and justice system as such. So that makes this conference exemplary, very important, and it needs appreciation by all, and we hope that it proves one of the best milestones in the history of legal education system in India.